Hey guys, in this video we are going to take a look at how to unlock the bootloader, install TWRP recovery and flash magics to root your Redmi Note 7 Pro. So guys, this is an all-in-one process to root your Redmi Note 7 Pro. So let's start. Okay guys, let's start the process of unlocking your Redmi Note 7 Pro. As you can see, currently my device is locked. I've enabled OEM unlocking option and I already have the me account present in my device. Also USB debugging is on. So now you have to power off your device. Let it power off, it will easily. And also guys, you will need a PC to do this. So yeah, obviously you will need a PC. Let's go to download and you need the MI tool, so the link is in the description. So if you have already have the permissions, you will easily will be able to download MI unlock tool, and if not permissions, then you have to take permissions first, like many of you guys will use your old account. So yes, you will get permissions of course. So just enter the so I will just enter my password. So I will post this. Okay guys, and I'm signing with the password, so I have entered my password, sign in. It's checking if my account has permissions, and it has, because I already got that a delay 15 hours, which is 360 hours timing we get to unlock a device. So I am using this official cable, just attaching it. Okay. Now you have to boot your Redmi Note 7 Pro into fastboot. So just volume down and the power button gets easily into fastboot, and put this, and make sure you have drivers installed. So yeah, now it will say unlock will erase user data, unlock. And guys, while first time unlocking, your account may get a 15 hours delay, 15-day delay, which is a 360-hour delay. So guys, don't worry, like I just started unlocking for the first time on 15th or like 16th, and I have my 15 days over. So now let's try to unlock it. I hope it unlocks, and yeah, this is the first time I'm doing it because it can be unlocked, like, and then again you have to OEM lock it. I guess it gets unlocked. Okay guys, it's unlocked successfully. That's a great, really great thing. Now guys, it will just format your data, so please back up your data. Whatever it was in your internal storage will all get wiped, and yeah, your device is unlocked. As you can see, it is booting and it says unlocked. So I'll just skip this part guys. I just want to continue with the TWRP, but it will boot, so I will just wait for it boot and then I will tell you. Okay guys, I already enabled developer options, and as you can see, OEM unlock, it says bootloader is already unlocked, and MI unlock status, it says the device is unlocked. So now you have to enable USB debugging. As you can see, I have enabled it, allow granting permission. So just enable this also. Next step, it's okay. Okay, so these are some grant permissions. I don't know why it asks, just wait for 5 seconds. Okay, so just enabled USB debugging. Now we have to power off, because our next step is to install TWRP recovery and get rid of MIUI. So yes, yeah, in this video I'm not going to review that Lineage OS. So Lineage OS will be on the next video. So I just want to tell you how to unlock bootloader, install TWRP and flash magics to access root. So now as you can see, you have to push the volume down and power buttons to enter the fastboot mode. So you have to connect a device. As you can see, it's connected successfully. So guys, if you are using some old ADB, you don't have to use it because it is not supporting the disable-verity. So you have to use this new platform tools. The link is in the description, and just open command window there. So yeah, I can see this is the path. It will be different for you, so you can just extract this some different path and you can just check it. Now you have to just copy paste this, and this command will be in the description, so don't worry. Okay, it's finished. Now as you can view this, so you can see vbmeta you have to flash before installing the TWRP recovery. Now we also have the recovery folder, recovery file here. So your normal fastboot boot recovery. Let's flash first. Fastboot flash, I guess this is the method. Recovery. Wow, I cannot like actually spell recovery to go. It's actually insane. Finished. Fastboot boot recovery image, and you have to guys do it exactly the same thing. I'm going. It's finished. It says booting. Let's check my device, and yes guys, finally we are into TWRP recovery. So let's just have some brightness. The brightness is a bit like a lot of really low, so it's okay for us actually. Now this is a TWRP. This is the like the latest one I have been using now, and you can see it has some weird folders because this is how it works. Like you have to format data, of course. Then go to wipe format data, type yes, and guys make sure you have backed up your internal storage because already the unlocking has wiped it, so you have to back it up before unlocking. Now reboot into recovery again. Do not install. Redmi by Xiaomi. TWRP recovery, and you can see the internal storage is fine now. Everything is wiped. Now we can flash Lineage OS and do whatever you want, guys. Like there are many ROMs flooding out, so you can just easily install them. Just install the ROM and GApps. That's easy. Now the last step is to root your device. Like we still have MIUI in this, even if you are format. Now to root, you have to just copy the latest Magisk, which I already downloaded but not copied, so I will just copy and I will be back. Okay, so I have just copied the Magisk, and there were two Magisks, like one specially for Violet, which on the Telegram it said it will work for Violet, especially for Violet, like this Magisk version. And then there was another Magisk 19 new release, so I will just try flashing the new release first. Let's see. So new release is getting flashed and it is working, guys. So let's see after it boots, like if it actually roots or not, or you can just flash the Magisk release one. So I'll just reboot. Now guys, I have formatted the data, so you have to wait. Like if you have also formatted, like you have to format data, guys, from coming from MIUI because the encryption is not working. So yeah, format data is like actually necessary. So yep. So yeah, yes guys, please flash like Magisk when you do this all system and stuff, or it won't boot, guys. Okay guys, the device booted successfully after installing Magisk, and as you can see, okay, as I can see, it says installed version 19.0. It means Super SU, which is root access is present, guys. The device has been rooted successfully, and like that was the last step. So guys, that's it for the video. If you found this video helpful for your Redmi Note 7 Pro to unlock the bootloader, install TWRP and root your Redmi Note 7 Pro, then press the like button. If not, press the dislike button. Also, if you want like more such videos on the Redmi Note 10 Pro, you have to subscribe to this channel, and yep, nothing else. Subscribe, press the bell icon if you only want to, not forcefully. Bye. Like I'll just flash lineages now, check stuff like what's working, what not. Like it's almost everything is working fine, so I need to have a deep check, and then I will push the review out tomorrow after checking it fully. So yeah, bye bye guys. I'll see you guys in the next video. Till then, bye bye.